brown stew sauce. So for the brown stew sauce, I'm going to be using some of these veggies. I'm going to be using some garlic, seasoning. Alright. So we just want to go ahead and add. Yeah. We just want to go ahead and add these veggies. Garlic. Alright, so the Feel Good Chef seasoning, this one will be available next year. This one is my special blend. You guys can purchase that one as well. Hey, I gotta eat, right? I've been working on that seasoning for a few years now, like maybe a year. I think I have it fixed now. Alright. So this, we're basically making the brown stew. The brown stew sauce. You ever had brown stew before?
No. No.
No. Thought you were gonna say it. Alright, so we're adding some. Normally we'll be using the brown sugar, but they have the white one, so that's what we're using. Not a lot of sugar, guys. It's only maybe 2 tablespoons. So we're gonna caramelize this until it becomes brown. And put some water on in the kettle. That's a shizzle, bizzle, alright.
Like and subscribe.
And share. Sharing is scary. Esther, I forgot to get some ketchup. Tell me how.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Adding some ketchup.
That good?
Yeah, that's good. No, that's good. I want to add in some water. It should be enough to cover the chicken, right? Okay. This is. You guys like spicy food?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna add some spice to this. Adding some scotch bonnet pepper. Some more of this right here. Soup is going. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the fish to this stock pot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Man, I used to hate okra growing up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You know it has aphrodisiac properties, right?
The whole meal. Look out.
So, just gonna be adding some okra.
Yeah. Goodwill.
Time. Scallion. This is the magic. This is the Jamaican cock soup. I don't know why they call it cock soup, but it's what they call it. See?
Mm-hmm.
Cock. It's like big cock and then there's a cock.
Gotta get that flavor.
So it's good for the cock. That's what it is. That's what it is. It's a little bit spicy. I want to add some pimento.
Okay.
This one came from Jamaica. It's like 30 C's. That's the legal amount to take over here from Jamaica. So we're just gonna add some to the soup. Gives it a nice flavor. Some seasonings.
Man, those onions are making me cry.
Yeah, man. Alright, so we're gonna let this cook for another 20 minutes and it should be good. 20 minutes, that should be good. I'm gonna turn on the stove, let it reduce, and then the fish tea will be ready.
All right.
So I'm gonna add some flour and some water. This is gonna make it thick. Alright, so now that we have the gravy working down, we're gonna add the whole chicken. See?
Mm-hmm. Right in the sauce.
Right in the sauce, man. And then we're gonna let this slow cook for about 45 minutes, and then it should be good.
All right.
What do you guys call it? Bok choy or pop choy?
Bok choy.
Bok choy.
Purpose like bok chow too.
Yeah, this one is
The
really
lighting
good.
is really good. Yeah.
When I rinse these off, we're gonna saute them.
Anakin. Tell.
Oh shit, yeah. Wait, what? What are those for?
Those are the tops of the Kolsch bottles.
Alright, so right now we're gonna be working on the bok choy veg. So we're using some coconut oil. Coconut oil I think it has a better flavor than regular oil. We're adding in the veg. Ooh, you can smell that. Ooh. Let's add some garlic. All right. Let's add some of that all-purpose seasoning. You don't want to overcook the veggies. You want to cook it for maybe like 5 to 7 minutes. You want to make sure that it's crunchy a little bit. You could almost smell that shit though.
It's
It smells so good. Man.
yeah, I can still feel the onions in the air too.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. We're not gonna waste any time. We're gonna add the bok choy. We have more bok choy than what the pan can hold, but the bok choy is gonna shrink, so it should be good. And then some all-purpose seasoning. To top all of this off, now we're gonna add some coconut cream. I climbed the coconut tree that's outside, pick some coconut and grate it. So, if you don't believe, just give this video a like, a thumbs up. Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we're just gonna let this cook for about 5 more minutes, then we should be good.
From here.
Let me know when you're ready.
Ready. You want to get a zoomed in one of the pan when you flip it?
Oh, I can do it in editing. You know.
Okay.
Or if you wanna go forward, I don't know.
Yep. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
But you don't have to film this part.
Okay. Yep. Nice.
There's a lot of steam.
It's
It's a lot of steam, man. Right now, so dough has been risen. I have that ready. Add a little flour to the mix so that it doesn't stick.
So you're cutting it up into small pieces?
Yeah, I'm gonna be rolling these out.
Okay.
Alright. Look at that. I want to keep everything at the same size. So the cocoa bread, it should be like a soft pillow bread. Someone's having fun. I don't like when I want it to be a little bit sticky so that it doesn't edge my teeth. Oh, the butter. It's the first time using this flour. It's like self-rising flour. Normally I would use all-purpose flour.
Is the self-rising just speed it up, or?
Yeah. But hopefully it should be soft. Growing up, cocoa bread and patty was like a thing. It's still a thing though, especially in Jamaica. Cocoa bread and patties.
Mm.
Yeah, man, it's really good. That's a meal right there.
What's the craziest patty you've ever made?
Uh,
Or do you keep it
Craziest
pretty
patty?
straightforward, like chicken and beef?
no, I think beef patty is the best patty.
Mm-hmm.
But in terms of ackee, I think ackee patty is like
Oh,
that
okay.
shit's fire, yep. There used to be this guy who, when I was going to high school, this guy used to come to the school and sell the ackee patty. This guy, he was a guy, but they call him Granny.
Okay.
He got some really good patties. Alright, so we're gonna roll these out now. So. we just roll it, keep it one side. So we try to keep everything at the same size.
So does it all go into one loaf, like layers, or is this all separate?
It's separate. So each
pieces?
one of them would be one
Okay.
cocoa bread by itself.
Okay.
You don't want to lose your coke.
No.
Yeah, so
You open up one email and now your whole paycheck's gone.
damn, you lose your paycheck?
Nah,
Oh,
I just got an email from a shoe company, and then I started looking at shoes. And
damn.
that's it for me.
You want to buy some shoes?
Whoa.
So these are cocoa bread.
Cocoa bread.
Yeah. There's no cocoa inside of it. But I don't know why they call it cocoa bread. That's funny. If you guys know why they call it cocoa bread, let me know in the comment section down below. This is a tradition. It's a traditional Jamaican bread. It's like
Can I do that flip one more time? Hey.
hey, there you go. This is also good for the self-defense. If the cops they stop you, you could be like, "Hey, what do you got there?" It's like, "Is that a weapon?" No, this is just a rolling pin.
Yeah, nothing strange. I'm just doing some baking.
It's like, oh, you're a drug dealer. You're baking baking soda. Imagine doing 1,000 of these for the day. Oh my God. Some huge upper arms.
Yeah, and say your hands, wrists, all that would hurt.
All right, so we're down to the last one. Took us like how much? Like 5 minutes to roll these. Whew. All right, so we have the melted butter here. So we're just gonna add some butter to the inside of it and then close it up.
Okay.
That's it. How much can hold on that baking tray?
Okay.
Let me see. So we have one, maybe like maybe only 4.
All right, Lou.
It's like a bomb. 4. So we're gonna have to go and bake these over. So we have 4. We're gonna pop these in the oven. We only have 1 baking tray, so this should be good. We're gonna pop this in the oven. Let's see.
Cool. Should follow you.
The oven is at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna let this bake until it's golden brown, and we should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and bake these off, and we should be good. The next thing we're gonna work on the shrimp. Brown stew whole chicken. Ooh, and this is done. It's good. Okay, so I'm not sure if they're gonna rise, right? Because it's instant yeast and normally don't work with them. So we're gonna check to see if the cocoa bread is rising. Ooh! I wanna love you and treat you right. Damn, they're getting fat. They're so thick. Damn, I'm gonna cover this up. It's gonna be good. Ooh, damn. Let's work on the curry coconut shrimp right now. That's what we're gonna be doing. The dream is to get. No, that's not the dream. Never mind.
What's the dream?
No, this is to go to for 1 million views.
So it's the goal, not the dream.
No, that's not the dream. That's just the goal for this video.
That's what I mean. It's the goal. Yep.
The expectation.
The expectation.
There you go.
I want to get some garlic going for the shrimp. Turn on the fire. Snoop Dogg is a dude. Alright, so we're using coconut oil, right? Mm-hmm. Because we can. We're crazy like that. So we're using some coconut oil. Coconut oil is very healthy, so you don't have to worry about using too much. The veggies, so we have onions, carrots, peppers, and we have some garlic here. We're gonna be adding all of that. We're gonna let this saute for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Leon, you have any axe here? No, me not have that.
We don't have that.
So what do you have? Listen how the bumbo clock to keep coming and asking and asking and asking. You don't have no respect, Leon. We have any respect around here in the kitchen? No, we don't have that. Only on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Yeah, they make those Jamaican restaurants are very. You have to have some patience to deal with some of the restaurants. Alright, so we have the veggies going. Let's season up this part of it. Remember, the shrimp is already marinating, so we need to make sure that when we add the shrimp, this doesn't take away from the flavor. And they're so quiet.
Yeah.
Oh, she's working.
Oh yeah. One-handed. Look out.
Yep, one-handed bandit. So this one, this is gonna be the trick. I'm gonna flip it over my head. I'm gonna catch everything down. Just like that. Got it?
Yeah.
One more.
One more. One more. Hey.
There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. All my life I was training for that moment. Alright, so now that we have the veggies sauteed, we're gonna add some coconut cream. Ooh, Jesus. Oh my God, that smells so good, man. Listen, if you could smell this through the phone, you would understand. So we're gonna add some of this. We're adding some minutes. Then we're gonna be adding some curry. No hurry, we're just adding some curry. Put away everything. Let's eat it. If they could only smell what this smells like. Let me see what it tastes like though. Smell is one thing, but taste is another thing. Tastes good.
Yeah.
There's a Jamaican artist, his name is Elephant Man. You know that artist, right?
Yeah.
He always says like, what did he say? Image is everything. So the image of this is very good. But I think the taste is important as well.
Does it taste
So-
as good as it looks?
Yeah, it tastes really good. It tastes really good. So I'm gonna wait. Since the carrot is the toughest one, I'm gonna wait until the carrot is a little bit soft. Then I'm gonna add the shrimp. The shrimp is gonna take like 5 minutes to cook. Because shrimp. You forgot, this is what the shrimp looks like.
It's warm in here. I'm just gonna put a t-shirt on.
It's warm. It's summer, man. Some butter. This is some scallion. 5 minutes and we're good. You can do a B-roll for the cooker.
Yeah.
Is it B-roll?
Well, it's the end of that still, but very few. Let's try this again.
Mine was telling me no. And my body's telling me yeah. I'm gonna add some hot pepper to it.
But my body.
It's telling me yeah. I don't see nothing wrong with a little hot pepper.
Me neither. Alright, get nice and spicy.
Look at that, man. Ooh. Oh my god. Remember guys, sign up for my cooking class. To miss is a this. Alright, let's recap. So we have the cocoa bread in the oven, right? We have the coconut and curry shrimp. We have the fish tea. And we also have the whole roasted, not roasted, the brown stew chicken roasted whole. We're gonna present everything right now because let you see what's going on. Alright, so the shrimp is cooked. We're gonna turn it off and we're gonna let the heat that is inside of it continue to cook the shrimp because if it cook too long, it's gonna be rubbery. You don't wanna overcook the shrimp. Right, so this is about 90% cooked. So we're gonna turn it off and the heat that is present will continue to cook the dish. So let's turn it off. That's right. Yes, good. There's some of the okra in it. Ooh. Some nice pieces of fish. Yep.
Oh shoot, one sec. Let me back further. Wait a sec. There we go.
Great soup on camera.
How
Yeah.
it is how it is.
Incredible.
Nice. But you have to be careful, remember.
Oh,
That shit will make some babies.
I might need some to go. Wow. Yeah, this is. Yeah. This is like.
Yeah.
So we'll have the whole barbecue, not barbecue, I keep saying barbecue, the whole brown stew chicken, we'll have the curry shrimp, and we'll have the coconut bok choy. And you have the mountain of cocoa bread beside it. Cure cancer.
World peace.
World peace. Not world peace, man. Try this plate.
I'll try it.
Yeah, man.
Try a little shrimp. Take a bite. Yeah, dude.
Don't be lying. Don't be lying, man.
So good.
Don't be lying.
I'm gonna try this.
That's a shrimp.
Okay. It smells good.
This is like
10 out of 10.
Ooh. Ooh. That's a. I know you like lots of veggies.
Bok choy.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Yeah. Nice.
The veggies are really, really fucking good. How much butter is in them?
Not a lot of butter. It's coconut milk.
Oh, it's coconut milk.
Yeah, it's coconut milk and the coconut oil.
The coconut oil. Yeah.
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 You kids could grab some, please.
Yeah.
So well done.
Seriously.
It's always my pleasure to cook for you guys.
Yeah, one person's gonna have to sit at the small table.
Keep it stable.
I'm good.
Oh, dude.
Take one for the team.
It's just like Thanksgiving.
It's chicken is melting like butter.
Ugh, yeah.
Damn.
Veggies are like perfectly al dente.
Yeah?
I hate a mushy carrot.
Yeah, some people like to cook their veggies like there's no tomorrow. Listen, you see the gravy from this chicken? You could save that one, man, and just cook anything in it.
Yeah, for sure. Oh.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute.
Listen, I hope you have a nice.
It's really hot.
Yep.
It's hot, man. Careful.
Yeah.
Wait a second.
You learned the hard way.
Seriously.
The hard way.
You learn the hard way.
You didn't listen what your mama said.
You want to grab this bread? For Alex here.
Oh,
There's
It's
a
hot,
piece
yeah.
of bread. That's the sesame roll.
shout out Lizard.
Lizard. Lizard is the man. Who is the man?
Lizard.
Wow, actually, he's doing some crazy stuff right now. As you were saying that, he's got it's all puffed up.
Damn.
It's all crazy.
He smells like
Yeah, balls. Yeah.
Whoa, Blizzard, chill out, dude.
Seriously.
Go crazy.
Crazy.
Remember, be very careful about the soup.
Yeah, did Blizzard have some soup?
But he doesn't have any other lizard, female lizard.
Yeah, Lee humming that rock.
Thank you.
Yes. Alright, now we're back to sweatshirt off. Thank you. Anyone need anything from the fridge?
Maybe like a beer.
Beer?
Yeah.
Amanda, you want anything?
No, thank you.
Cola? Heineken? Water? You good?
Thank you.
No. Oh, yes, it all looks so good.
Me don't have that.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Cheers.
Cheers.